Hey everybody, Jaws Jr. here for a quick update. My project is coming along quite nicely. New workbench in the world headquarters of Jaws Jr. Entertainment. All rocks underneath. In this area here, I'll be able to put more rocks. And checking out how well the lighting is in here. I think it's going to work out just fine. Now, this was built for my height. I am 6'4", so this was built approximately 42 inches tall. So I don't have to bend over. Plenty of outlets. Good lighting. We'll put one more right there. I'm going to put one more outlet right there on a separate circuit. And then my rack for my tumbling will go in this area. Top shelf, tumbling supplies, things like that, and all of this workspace. I think it's going to turn out quite nicely. This bull wheel will go probably on this front corner. Then I will put my flat lap, my rotary flat lap, on this corner. But things can change. Who knows exactly what I'm going to do. I have enough room to bring my cabochon cart in here. And you know, I think this is going to work out just fine. I still have to put a small backstop up here and up here on top of the shelf. And let's see, what else have we got? Probably going to paint it. I will use a deck paint, not stain, but paint on the surface. And then I'm going to do the fascia and the legs. A similar color scheme is what I did my cabochon cart. So it all is the same. So yeah, pretty big project been working on. And again, I think with the lighting, I might be able to do pretty good. I may still end up building a light box so I can show off my work a little bit better. But look at how pretty this guy is. Okay, there you go. There's my update. So thanks for watching. See ya!